Hello. My name is Sarah. Today, I will tell you about my day. I used many different expressions. These expressions are very useful in daily life. Let me share my experiences with you. I will also give you many examples so you can learn and practice. Bless you. This morning, my friend sneezed during class. I quickly said, "Bless you." She smiled and said, "Thank you." We use bless you when someone sneezes to wish them well. For example, if your friend sneezes, you can say, "Bless you." If a stranger sneezes in public, you can say, "Bless you." What would you like? At lunch, I went to a cafe. The waiter smiled and asked, "What would you like?" I looked at the menu and thought for a moment. We use "what would you like" when we ask someone what they want. For example, if you are a waiter, you can ask a customer, "What would you like?" If your mom is making dinner, she may ask, "What would you like to eat?" "I'd like some water." When the waiter asked me what I wanted, I said, "I'd like some water, please." We use "I'd like some water" when we politely ask for water. For example, if you are at a restaurant, you can say, "I'd like some water, please." If you are visiting a friend's house, you can say, "I'd like some water." Do you need anything? After school, I called my mom. She was at the store. She asked, "Do you need anything?" I said, "Yes. Please buy some milk." We use "Do you need anything" when we ask someone if they require something. For example, if your friend is going shopping, they can ask, "Do you need anything?" If you are leaving home, you can ask your family, "Do you need anything from outside?" I need some time to rest. After studying for 3 hours, I was very tired. I told my sister, "I need some time to rest." She said, "Okay, take a break." We use "I need some time to rest" when we want to take a break and relax. For example, if you feel tired, you can say, "I need some time to rest." If your friend asks you to go out but you are exhausted, you can say, "I need some time to rest." I am proud of you. Today, my little brother won a school competition. I hugged him and said, "I am proud of you." We use "I am proud of you" when we want to express admiration for someone's success. For example, if your friend gets a good grade, you can say, "I am proud of you." If your mom cooks a delicious meal, you can say, "I am proud of you." I have a surprise for you. When I came home, my mom smiled and said, "I have a surprise for you." She gave me a small gift box. I was so excited. We use "I have a surprise for you" when we want to tell someone that we prepared something special for them. For example, if you buy a gift for your friend, you can say, "I have a surprise for you." If you make a cake for your sister, you can say, "I have a surprise for you." Not on your life. My brother asked me, "Can I borrow your phone for the whole day?" I laughed and said, "Not on your life." We used "not on your life" when we strongly refuse to do something. For example, if your friend asks you to do their homework, you can say, "Not on your life." If your sibling asks you to give them your favorite book, you can say, "Not on your life." Happy Eid. Today was a special day because it was Eid. When I saw my neighbors, I smiled and said, "Happy Eid." They smiled back and said, "Happy Eid to you too." We use Happy Eid to wish someone a joyful Eid celebration. For example, on the morning of Eid, you can say, "Happy Eid" to your family. If you send a message to your friend, you can write, "Happy Eid." Just a moment, please. At the bakery, I asked for a cake. The cashier said, "Just a moment, please." She went to the back to check if they had the cake. We use just a moment, please when we ask someone to wait for a short time. For example, if you are on the phone and need time, you can say, just a moment, please. If a customer asks for something in a shop, the worker may say, just a moment, please. That was my day. I used many expressions. Now, I know when to use them. Do you use these expressions too? Practice them every day and you will improve your English.